Coming to this big, magnificent one on the wall behind me, S.M. Pandit. Now, what do you know about S.M. Pandit? You probably know through your Wikimedia search that, he was from northern Karnataka. He was from Kalburgi. But did you know that he was also a poster painter and painted alongside Hussain? He painted film posters like Hussain. So this work is probably one of the finest and most important works by S.M. Pandit that is on display for people. Now, he's a first-time art fair debutant. He's probably a first-time exhibition debutant. You might never have seen his work there. So finding him here is an opportunity, that too in this size, scale and magnitude. And the work is based on Ravi Verma's Descent of Ganga. The subject is the same. The treatment and the manner in which he has painted it are completely different. When you observe the painting, you know the story of the descent of Ganga, right? Ganga was descending from the heavens, and the force of her descent was so powerful that Shiva decided to open up his locks, let her flow into his hair, and then he knotted it up into the jata. So that is how Shiva is always wearing the jata, and the crescent, the Ganga is there knotted in his jata. This is actually S.M. Pandit's rendition of Ravi Verma's Descent of Ganga, where you can see Shiva standing with his dreadlocks opened and she's flowing down. He has only shown you Ganga flowing down, but he has symbolically shown you the presence of Shiva in the blue tones behind the painting. Okay, and you can see like there's planets and there's other things. So she's actually cascading from the heavens and coming down to earth. It's beautiful to interpret the painting when you know the story correctly and when you know what to look for. Otherwise, you say Descent of Ganga and someone will say, okay, she just looks like an Apsara. But apply your mind to the fact that the blue behind it is actually to symbolize Shiva. So lesser known person who died in absolute penury because nobody appreciated his talent at that point of time.